Are you experiencing issues with your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4? Perhaps it's running slow or not functioning properly. In this video, we'll show you how to perform a factory reset on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Before we begin, be sure to back up any important data from your Galaxy Watch 4. This is imperative because a factory reset will erase all data and settings on your watch. Also make sure that your Galaxy Watch is sufficiently charged. Once you've got everything ready, you may proceed with these steps to put your Galaxy Watch back to its factory state. First, swipe down from the top of the screen to access the Quick Settings panel. Once you're in the panel, tap the gear icon to launch the Settings app. In the Settings app menu, scroll then tap General. Navigate to the lower section then tap Reset. If necessary, tap Backup Data to back up all your important data before resetting. Otherwise, tap Reset to proceed with a factory reset without backing up your watch files. You'll be asked to confirm that you want to erase all data and settings on your watch. If you're sure, tap on Reset. The factory reset will then instigate and all data on your watch will be erased. You can also do a remote factory reset on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 straight from the Galaxy Wearable app. To do this, simply launch the Galaxy Wearable app on your Samsung phone that's paired with your Watch 4. In the Wearable app's main screen, tap Watch Settings. Once you're in the Watch Settings menu, scroll down then tap General. On the succeeding menu, tap Reset. Read the reset details, then tap the Reset button to confirm. All data on your watch will then be deleted remotely. After the reset, you can no longer find your Galaxy Watch 4 with Find My Watch. Your watch will reboot on its own and then return to its original factory settings. By then, you can start setting your watch up and pair it with your Samsung Galaxy smartphone like the first time. And that's it. Performing a factory reset can be a helpful solution if you're experiencing issues with your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. This, however, should only be considered among the last options given that this process will wipe all saved data from your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. We hope that this video is helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech videos.